Did you know India's space journey started with a small satellite in 1975? This satellite was called Aryabhata. It was India's first satellite and it changed the future of science and technology in the country. In this video, we will learn what Aryabhata satellite is, why it was so important, how it was built and launched, and how it helped India become a superpower. Let's begin the video. Aryabhatta was the India's first artificial satellite. It was named after the famous Indian mathematician Aryabhatta. The satellite was developed by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched on April 19, 1975. This was a proud moment for the India. Aryabhatta was not just a satellite, it was a big step for India. Before this, India did not have much experience in space technology. This satellite helped scientists learn how to design satellites, how to send them into space, how to collect data from space. It gave India confidence. It showed that India can do advanced science. Aryabhatta was built by Indian scientists with limited resources. It had a unique space like many side boxes. The satellite weighed around 360 grams. It used solar panel to get energy from sunlight. Inside, it carried instructions to study X-rays from space, solar radiation, astronomy data. Even with simple technology, it was a smart design. India did not have its own rocket at that time, so Aryabhatta was launched with the help from the Soviet Union. It was launched using a Soviet rocket from a place called Kapustin Yar. The launch was successful. India officially entered the space age. The mission had some problems too. After a few days, the satellite faced a power failure. Because of this, it stopped sending data earlier than expected. But even with this issue, the mission was still a success. Why? Because the main goal was learning, not perfection. And India learned a lot. Aryabhatta helped India build future satellites. After this, India launched many successful missions like communication satellites, weather satellites, space exploration missions. Today, ISRO is one of the top space agencies in the world. All this started with Aryabhatta. Some fun facts are Aryabhatta was built in just a few years. It was completely designed in India. It is still remembered as a symbol of innovation. The launch date, April 19th, is celebrated in India's space history. Aryabhatta was not just a satellite, it was a dream that India could reach space. From a small beginning in 1975, India is now exploring the moon, Mars, and beyond. And it all started with Aryabhatta. If you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and tell us in comments what topic should be covered next. See you in next video.